Recycling and waste reduction are worldwide necessary practice, but we all know their importance. Today we will discuss about this topic from another and unusual point of view. We are commonly consider urine as a biological waste product, but what about their application in basic research? During my PhD studies, I tried to answer to this question, and now I will show you an example in the case of kidney transplant. Kidney transplant is a lifesaver practice, but as many other surgeries, it is also a very stressful condition. A stress condition induces an increase in cell turnover in the organ, with a release of damaged cells that are replaced with functional ones. So our hypothesis was that kidney transplanted patients may have an increase in cell turnover to remove damaged cells, and these cells can be released in urine. So instead to discard urine, as we commonly do, we decide to bring it in our lab and try to isolate these cells. And we can say that we successfully isolate, but the next step was, what about their possible application? And well, we decided to study the interaction between kidney cells and lymphocytes, so cells involved in the immune response, which are very important in transplant. We observed that kidney cells derived from a waste product and a stress condition were able to modulate the immune response, reducing lymphocytes involved in the overactivation of inflammation and the immune response, while increasing lymphocytes that suppress the immune response. And so these results are very interesting because indicate, as a take-home message, that urine is not just a waste product, but could be a high obtainable and easy obtainable cell source for the obtainment of cell population that could be used in cell therapy, or without the ethical concern and without the problem caused, for example, by biopsies. And so the urine is another waste product that could be recycled for a lot of possible application. Thank you.